Join me as I put the brand new DJI OSMO Action 6 to the test and see if it lives up to the hype. The wait is finally over, and the latest generation of DJI's OSMO Action series has arrived, promising to revolutionize the world of action cameras once again. When it comes to capturing life's most epic moments, we've all been there, struggling with our action cameras to get that perfect shot. Whether it's stabilization issues, poor battery life, or mediocre video quality, we've all faced those frustrating moments that make us question our gear. I'm sure many of you can relate to the frustration of recording an incredible stunt or breathtaking view, only to find out that your footage is shaky and unwatchable. It's a problem that's plagued action cameras for years, and it's something that DJI has promised to address with the OSMO Action 6. And let's not forget about battery life. We've all been caught off guard by a dying battery in the middle of an epic adventure. It's a problem that's especially frustrating when you're in the middle of nowhere with no way to recharge. But with the OSMO Action 6, DJI claims to have solved these issues once and for all. With a new and improved stabilization system, Rocksteady 3.0, DJI promises to deliver ridiculously smooth footage even in the most intense situations. But that's not all. The OSMO Action 6 also boasts a brand new camera system, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 120 FPS. And with a new and improved sensor, DJI claims to have significantly improved low-light performance. One of the most exciting features of the OSMO Action 6, however, is its ability to live stream in 4K, a feature that's sure to revolutionize the world of social media and content creation. Whether you're a professional athlete or a social media influencer, this feature is a total game changer. But what really sets the OSMO Action 6 apart from its competitors is its sheer versatility. With a range of innovative features like dual screens, a built-in microphone, and a hydrophobic coating, this camera is designed to keep up with your most extreme adventures. To really put the OSMO Action 6 to the test, I decided to take it on a wild adventure of my own, and let me tell you, the results are staggering. From high-speed mountain biking to underwater exploration, this camera has proven itself to be an absolute beast. But the feature that really blew me away was its ability to capture stunning slow-motion footage. With the OSMO Action 6, you can capture video at an incredible 1080p at 240 FPS, a feature that's sure to add a whole new level of production value to your videos. In conclusion, the DJI OSMO Action 6 is an absolute powerhouse of an action camera, boasting a range of innovative features that set it apart from the competition. With its improved stabilization, camera quality, and range of unique features, this camera is a must-have for any adventure enthusiast. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure with the DJI OSMO Action 6. Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech updates and reviews.